So welcome back students to the part 2 on the concept of lattice multiplication. So last year you have done lattice multiplication for multiplication of 2-digit number. This time we'll be doing it for 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. For this children you have to make a 3 by 3 grid like this. It should be a box like this. I'll draw it for you. 3 rows and 3 columns. And then you have to cut the diagonals like this. Right? So I've already drawn one for you. Practice drawing this lattice and then start doing the multiplication. So the multiplicand I'm going to write here on the top and the multiplier on the right hand side. So now we'll start multiplication. 2 2s are 4. So on the top grid we will write 0 and here we will write 4. Now I'll multiply this number again by the next digit. 2 1s are 2. Then 2 4s are 8. So this we have multiplied 2 by complete number 412. Now we will switch on to the next digit, that is 1. So 1 2s are 2, you will write this 2 as 0 2. If it is a single digit number, in the top column we will write 0 and we will write the number in the bottom grid. If it is a 2-digit number, then 1's place we will write in the bottom and 10's place in the top. So 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now this is done, and this we have some columns. Now I'm using, because we are doing it for the first time in this class, I'm using some colors. Like we have some grids like this. This is the red grid. It is alone, so we are going to add it. That is 8. Now if I take care of the next one, this you can shade with your pencil colors. See this grid, this in pink. This is one diagonal grid and we will add them. 4 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4 and 2 6. So we'll write here 6. Now let's look at the next one. This diagonal is another grid. Add them. 6 and 0 6, plus 1 7, plus 1 0 again 7 and 4 11. Now we have 11. So this one will be written here and one will be carried over. Now add this. 1 and 4 5, 5 and 2 7 and 1 8. So we'll write it here. This is another grid. Then we have the next grid, this one. So we are adding diagonally. It is 0 8 0. So this is 8 and this is alone, so 0. So children, starting from here till here, this is our answer. That is the product of 412 multiplied by 214 is 8 8 1 6 8. So this is my answer. So this lattice multiplication makes the lengthy multiplication easy for us. So it is short and very easy. Let's try another example. Children, like B part, this I'm leaving for you as homework, but still I'm telling you how to draw the grid. You have, see here it is a 3-digit number and here also it is a 3-digit number. So you will multiply it by using a 3 by 3 grid. So 3 rows and 3 columns. I am not using a scale, but you can use a scale for drawing these lines. So these should pass from the corners. So once we have drawn this grid, so we will write the numbers here 3 3 3 and this side it is 1 1 1. So you just have to multiply by 1 every time. So that is why I've left this for homework. You will do this yourself. Even C part is your homework. Let's move to D part. So we are making 3 columns and 3 rows. Then we will join the corners like this. These are the diagonals of these squares. Now this side the number is 6, 6, 5. This is 1, 5, 5. So let's go ahead. First I'll multiply 665 by 1. So this will be 1 5s are 5. So I'll write 0 5. 1 6s are 6. So I'll write 0 6. 1 6s are 6 again. I will write 0 6. Now I will multiply by the next digit, that is 5. 5 5s are 25. So 2 I will write in the top diagonal and 5 I will write below this. 5 6 are 30. So 3 on the top and 0 in the bottom. Then again 5 6 are 30. So 10th digit on the top and 1st digit in the bottom. Again 5 5s are 25. So this is going to be the same. Now we will add the digits which are present in the diagonals. So here this digit, let me shade for the alternatives. This is white, this is pink. Again next one I have left white and this is pink. This is white and this is pink. So let's add them. This is 5 alone. This pink with we see 3 numbers, 5, 2 and 0. 5 and 2 7, 7 and 0 7. Now this one, this is 5 and 2 7, 7 and 3 10. Children, sometimes students make a mistake of adding these. So please take care that the multiplicand and the multiplier will not be added. Only whatever numbers are there inside the box, they will be added. 5 and 2 7, 7 and 3 10. This is 0. 1 carry over. 3 and 3 6, 6 and 6 12 and plus 1 13. 1 carry over. 6 and 3 9, 9 plus 1 10. So 0 will come here and 1 carry over. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. So I will start writing my answer from here. 1 0 3 0 7 5. This is my product. This is your answer. Similar way, we can multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number also. Suppose I have 431 into 28. So in this case, see how many digits are there? 3 digits. And how many digits are here? 2 digits. So I will draw a 3 by 2 grid. That is 3 columns and 2 rows. 3 columns and 2 rows. Here 4, 31 and this side only 28. This one was not required. Followed. So this third row will be omitted. So now let's join the corners, draw the diagonals. Now let's multiply. 2 1s are 2, it's 0 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So this is 8. We will add 4 and 2 6. Then 6 and 2 8. 8 and 2 10. This is 0 here and 1 carried over. 8 9 and 3 12. This is 2 here and 1 carried over and 1. So the product is 1 2 0 6 8. This is applicable to all the type of multiplication whether it is by 1 digit, whether it is by 2 digit or 3 digit. So try it and let me know in the doubt session. Bye for now.